crooked, then your baby daddy can say not this weekend. Okay, yeah. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by KLAIYIHAIR. They sent me another unit to try for you guys, and let's just say this is out the pack. Out the pack, easy breezy slay that is ready for the day. So before I show you guys how I got this wig from A to Slay out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that means anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, this unit comes to us from KLAIYIHAIR. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box, so if you want to check anything out, you can. This is their out the box ready to wear water wave bob unit. I got it in 10 inches and a right side part. Thank you. This wig comes in a left side or a right side part, and it's kind of like a surprise because you don't know what you're going to get until you open the box. I got really lucky today with the right side part because y'all know that left side part be throwing me off. Okay, I'll be off balance. This unit does come in a 6x4 natural color, which is what I got, but they also have a 7x5 special color, which you can see on the site, so if you want to check that one out, you can. Now the density for the two wigs are different. This is supposed to be 220. The special color is about a 180. My wig is measuring about 190, so you know, I don't know if it's supposed to be between 180 and 220. I'm just telling you what I got. But it looks really thick, so I'm not mad at that. First, let me tint my, no, I'm gonna spray it down with some water first. Don't judge me, okay? I'm not gonna wash it off the pack, but I will spray it down with some water. And then I'm also gonna go in with my hair perfume. Let's see what we got today. Holiday mood. I feel like I'm in the mood for the holidays, okay? I'm counting down to Christmas. Don't judge me. Okay, spray that all around. I'm also going to tint my lace with my, wait a minute. Oh, my bad. As always, I'm gonna use my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark. I'm going to tint my lace using the contour and sculpt shade. Dabble and dibble. I don't need that much because it's just right there on that edge. It ain't that much lace. So let's pop that on like that. Now I just thought about it. This one for a 6x4, you would think it would be a closure, you know, for that 6x4, but it's not. It's just 6 inches of lace across the front and then 4 inches of the parting space. So I'm not really sure why they call that a 6x4. Considering a normal 6x4 would be, you know, the closure space. So I'm not sure if the 7x5 is an actual closure space or if it is something like this with the part. Just get that in there. Might as well put it in the part. I ain't got that much. Before I put this on, let me just kind of shake it out like this. A little more. I need my walk past air. Everything needs to smell good, okay? My wig cap is already on. I can't be free balling this cap. I ain't wash it. Protect your scalp. And when you get some time, wash your wig. This wig does have some security, so you get the elastic band already attached, the comb in the back with the drawstring. So I should be able to wear this unit glueless. Let's pop this around and down. How's she gonna fit? There's the right side part. Where's the hairline though? The hairline seems very thick. KLAIYI, don't come back over here with them thick hairlines. That's too thick, and you know that. It is $109, so I'm not gonna complain too much. I can still say something. I'm just gonna pull some of this out. That's too much. What am I doing? I'm just gonna pull this out. I'm not pulling everything out, I'm just going by some. There is some shedding with this hair. I got some tweezers. Let me just use that. And I'm gonna comb it out. Comb that out. Let me just comb through this hair because there is shedding on this cap. Ow, I got my kitchen. Let me clip this up so I can tighten it down. Based on where I want this to sit on my forehead, I can't pull it all the way down in the back. I could probably go in and cut like a little V behind my ear to give me a little bit more space, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm wearing it in a bob anyway, so just gonna tighten it, lock it. Let me just take some of this hair out behind here. I honestly am surprised by the shedding for this hair because of the construction of the cap. You only have lace around here. Normally your shedding comes from your lace frontal. because you know the knots, they're breaking or whatever. But because this hair is mainly on tracks, Kalai, you may want to reinforce that hair a little better. Let me fix my part. I need it to curve this way. I'm just going to take some of this hair over here and just cut it a smidge shorter. Just in case I want to do some like swoops or something, I can do that. All right, let me make sure my bob is how I want it. This right here is too long. Let me just cut that just like that. Let me add a little bit more water. I don't want it to be too defined. I want a very like messy water wave tousled look. Hold on, let me take my rings off. I'm actually gonna put the mousse on my hands and work it through the hair. Like that. Scrunch it up. Look how quick that was. It's the world's fastest install. A little bit more. Make sure I get under. All right, bring it on top. That took 15 minutes, 49 seconds. Let me show y'all real quick. 56 now, because I'm taking the picture. Can y'all see that? 15:56. You got time? I'm just gonna do a little edge control right here on the front. Just a smidge to bring it down. Bring that over, bring that down, bring that behind my ear. Bring this down. So I'm just gonna do a little edge control like that. My natural hair right here on the side. Just blend that in. What in the world? Okay, Storm, I hear you. You don't gotta do all that. Bring that over, tuck it behind. Perfect. I can't see. What am I doing? Y'all know I cannot see in the dark. I need my glasses. That's good. I need to put a little bit of color up in my lace because she ashy. Get my fluffy brush, get my contour, mix it, those two again, look up and pop it right on there. There we go. See that there? Uh-huh. Then I'm gonna do a little bit of my contour shade with a tad bit of my sculpt and put it in my parting space. And I got a little patchiness right there. I don't know if I did that or if the wig was like that. I'm pretty sure I did it. Take my fill me in pen. It's the black one. Yeah. I'm just gonna dab it right there. Fill that in. And then take the other edge. Just tap it in. There we go. I'm gonna take my hairspray. Take my glasses off. Spray it right here. Spray it right here. Hold that, and we are done. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. What do you think? Don't all speak at once. Okay, I know it look good. Y'all see how quick? Like that. Quicker than your baby daddy can say not this weekend. Okay, yeah. It looks great. I love it. I love it. If you're beginning to wigs, get your water wave. Okay, a water wave bob to be exact. Because you see me. Now we'll say for Kalai, come, sit. That hairline. Okay, you saw what I did to mine. Go ahead and do it for us. Get that person back on that table. Okay, I need them working on their hairline, please, please. But yeah, I have no complaints about this wig. Actually, I already said it once and I'll say it twice, that shedding. The hair is not falling out the wig while I'm wearing it, but if I pull on the wig or when I brush the wig, I get shedding. So, you know, you may get shedding with your wig. It is raining outside right now and I can rock this wig outside and not think nothing about it. I can even get in the water, don't tip me, and still not think nothing about it because it's a water wave. Water is in the name. I love that for us. Just like I love that price point. $110 with that coupon code. Make sure you use it. But that's pretty much all I got, I think. Yeah. Shout out one more time to KLAIYIHAIR for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye.